You have spent time searching for posts that meet your needs on Facebook. I will introduce you to a software that can help you automatically search for targeted posts and comment on them to find potential customers. This is my scanning software interface. It has many functions like scanning groups without needing to join them. Then there's scanning competitor pages or scanning competitor profiles, for example. So here I will use the main function, which is the scan post list function. There you go. So here, for example, if I enter keywords related to real estate, it will return results like this. So it's very simple. You just need to enter the keyword here and then adjust it here. For example, for each keyword, you scan how many posts. For example, if I scan 15 posts here, it will return 15 results like this, for instance. There, after you're done, you click select account, then you choose the account and just add it to post. There will be some more options here, for example, only scanning those post profiles or only scanning groups and pages, for instance. There are many. It will show the content that people posted plus the likes, comments and shares. Once finished, I will tick select all and then export data. It will export all the data like that for you. There, it will display everything like this. So my job is just to copy these posts and then put them into my Facebook software. So here is the interface of my Facebook software. There are many functions, for example, posting, sharing, messaging, adding friends, and even trading information. So here, if you want to comment, you should go to the comment function section and click on comment. Then next, I will select the content that I wanted to comment on. For example, if I'm working in real estate, right, I will comment on my posts that include sales content. Then just click save and that's it. Next, you don't need to worry too much about these options because I will set this part up for you. In this section, you can comment based on profiles, groups, group IDs, posts or reels, for example. So I've just scanned it, right? My task now is just to use this post ID. After that, I'll paste all of these parts in, then just click save. There, after that's done, you'll have some options below, for example, whether to comment automatically or not, or randomly. Commenting on how many posts each account should comment on and how many times to comment on each post. There. So here there will be some additional options, for example, liking or reacting before, or deleting that post after a successful comment. There, after you're done, just click start. The software will auto run